A and B are whole numbers if A if A and B are whole numbers then A into B. It means closure property. If A and B are whole numbers, then A into B, you write A into B, it means closure property. For example, if you take value of A equal to 4 and value of B equal to 5, then you write A into B form 4 into 5. It means closure property. Okay. Next, second property, commutative law. Commutative law. If A and B, if A and B are whole numbers, then you write A into B equal to B into A. It means commutative law. For example, if you take A equal to 4 and B equal to 5, then you write 4 into 5 equal to 5 into 4. They are equal. This law means A into B always equal to B into A. इस लॉ में A into B हमेशा B into A का इक्वल होगा और इस लॉ को हम लोग कम्यूटेटिव लॉ कहते हैं. थर्ड, multiplicative property of zero. Multiplicative property of zero. So students, you always remember, if A is whole number, you write 4. Every whole number, for every whole number, A, every whole number A, we have write A into 0. A into 0 is always equal to 0 into A. 0 into A equal to A. इस प्रॉपर्टी में किसी भी होल नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे जो होल नंबर है वही ऑब्टेंड होगा. किसी भी नंबर को नो इट मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ 0. अगर किसी भी होल नंबर को अगर हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो 0 आएगा. इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम लोग मल्टीप्लिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 0 कहते हैं. ओके, योर थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, Write next fourth property. If you multiply any whole number by 1, we get a whole number. Write fourth property. You write fourth property, multiplicative property of 1. Multiplicative property of 1. For any whole number, you write for any whole number. For any whole number A, we have A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए एग्जांपल आप लिख लेंगे कि 4 into 0 equal to 0. For example, if you take value of A equal to 5, then 5 into 1 equal to 1 into 5 equal to 5. जो होल नंबर था वही ऑब्टेंड होगा अगर हम उसे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो. Your fifth property, associative law. Associative law. In associative law, if A, B, C are any whole number, if A, B, C are any whole numbers, then you write then A into B into C always equal to A into B into C. For example, if you take A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3, then you write 1 into 2 into 3 equal to 1 into 2 into 3. One two is 2 into 3 equal to 1 into 6 equal to 6. So they are always equal. In associative law, A into B in bracket into C always equal to A into in bracket B into C. Now your important law, property distributive law. It is most important for your exercise. distributive law for addition and subtraction. You write distributive law of multiplication over addition. It is so important for your exercise. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. So if you have three whole number, for any, you write for any whole numbers for any whole numbers A, B, C, we have A into B, B plus C is always equal to A into B plus A into C. This property means distributive law of multiplication over addition. Okay. For example, (968) into 73 plus 968 into 27. This question solved using distributive law of multiplication over addition. Here you see a student, A into B, A into B, A into C, A into C. आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं ये जो एग्जाम्पल मैंने लिखा है वो A इंटू बी है और A इंटू सी है. आपका गिवन क्वेश्चन A इंटू बी और A इंटू सी है. तो अगर A इंटू बी प्लस A इंटू सी होगा तो आपको कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है? A इंटू बी प्लस सी. तो आपका वैल्यू जो है, आपका ये जो फॉर्मूला है वो है क्या? A इंटू बी है प्लस A इंटू सी है. तो अगर A इंटू बी प्लस A इंटू सी है तो आपको फॉर्मूला कौन सा यूज करना होता है? आपका क्या हो जाएगा? A इंटू बी प्लस सी. So here you see the value of angle the value of A, you write 968 into value of B 73 plus value of C 27. So 968 into you add, we get 100. Nine six eight double zero. Here you see distributive law of multiplication over addition. If you have three whole number A, B and C, then you write A into B plus C in bracket equal to A into B plus A into C. In given example, you have A into B and A into C. So you write A into B plus C. So first you write the value of A 968, again write value of B 73 and take value of C 27. So first you add these two numbers, we get 100, and if you multiply, your product is obtained 96,800. This question solved by distributive law. Next, property of 7. 7 property, distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Over subtraction. Over subtraction. So here you see, for any whole number A, B, C, we have A into in bracket B minus C always equal to A into B minus A into C. It means distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. For example, you have a question 1063 into 127 minus 1063 into 27. So student, here you see angle A into B, the value of A into B minus A into C. So here you see A into B minus A into C. So if A into B minus A into C, you write A into B minus C. So first you take the value of A. You take first the value of A. So your value of A is 1063. Again write multiply and take bracket. You take value of B. So your value of B is 127 and value of C equal to 27. So you write 1063 into subtract, then comes 100, and if you multiply, we get 1 lakh, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh 6,300. So this law means multiplication over subtraction. If you have three whole numbers A, B and C, we write A into in bracket B minus C equal to always equal to A into B in bracket minus A into C. For example, you take 1063 into 127 minus 1063 into 27. So first you take the value of A. First you take value of A 1063 and again take the value of B 127 and take Again, value of C 27. If you subtract, we get 100. So you multiply with 100, we get 1,06,300. Your product. So today you learned some properties. Now come exercise 3D. Exercise 3D. Question first. Fill in the blanks. You have number 246 into 1. तो हमने प्रॉपर्टी में पढ़ा है कि अगर कोई भी होल नंबर होगा और 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जो होल नंबर है वो itself obtained होगा. So here you write 246. For question 2, 1369 मल्टीप्लाई 0. तो हमने प्रॉपर्टी में पढ़ा है कि अगर कोई भी होल नंबर होगा और 0 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो उसका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो 0 ही ऑब्टेंड होगा. सो हियर यू राइट 0. Your question third, 593 into 188 equal to 188 into what? तो आपने कम्यूटेटिव लॉ में पढ़ा है कि A into B always equal to B into A. So write the value of A. So your value of A is 593. So here you write 593. Comes question 4. Your question 4, 286 into 753 equal to blank into 286. So in commutative law you learned A into B equal to always B into A. So here you see the value of A equal to 286. So you write the value of B. So here you write see the value of B equal to 753. So here you write the value of B 753. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि इसमें जो भी क्वेश्चन बन रहा है वो सभी क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपका प्रॉपर्टी जो आपने पहले पढ़ा है उससे बन रहा है, इसलिए प्रॉपर्टी को अच्छे से लर्न करना है. Your next question 5. Your next question 5. 38 into 91 into 37 equal to blank into 38 into 37. तो स्टूडेंट यू लर्न इन एसोसिएटिव लॉ. आपने एसोसिएटिव लॉ में पढ़ा है कि A into B into C always equal to here you see B into A into C. So here you see the value of A equal to 38, value of B equal to 91 and value of C equal to 37. In the right side given value of A equal to 38, value of C equal to 37. So you write the value of B. So your value of B equal to 91. Your question 6, 13 into 100 into blank 13 50 1 2 3 4 5 ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 13 lakh. So students, here you see the product of A into B into C. So you have number A, B, but you have not value of C. So you divide 13 lakh 1 2 3 4 5 by 1300. Or you also write, if you find value of C, you write first 13 lakh by 1300. Cancel 0. How much you write? 1000. आप क्या लिखेंगे? 1000. अगर C के प्लेस पे अगर हम 1000 को पुट करें, C का वैल्यू अगर हम 1000 पुट करें तो ये 13 लाख आ जाएगा. So here you write 1000. Why you write 1000? First you multiply, find the product of A into B. So if you find the product of A into B, we get 1300 into what? And your product is 13 lakh. So you divide 13 lakh with 1300, we get 1000. Your question 7. $59 into 66 plus 59 into 34 equal to 59 into blank plus blank. So you learn in distributive law over addition, A into B plus A into C, always A into B plus C. So here you write the value of B. So your value of B equal to 66. So here you write 66. And again take value of C. So your value of C is 34. So here you write 34. Your question is 68 into 95 equal to 68 into 100 minus 68 into, you write 5. But why you write 5? because if you take here 95, you write 68 into 100 minus 5. So it is form of distributive law over subtraction. A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. So you write here in blank 5.